What's up, guys? So listen, I got this question, right? And I've actually got this question a few times, but guy asked me this question. And this is something for some of you to think about, okay? So Courtney, I have a good paying job, full-time job. I clean carpets part-time, okay? He has a full-time job, good paying job, okay? But he cleans carpets part-time, okay? But I really want to start cleaning carpets full-time. What should I do? It's easy, guys. Simple question. See what it is. A lot of people, they don't want to answer that question. Okay, so they want to ask around. They want to beat around the bush. But again, guys, it's simple. Quit your job. Okay, quit your job. That's all you got to do. But let me tell you something, man. Is yes, some of you guys do have good paying jobs. Some of you guys have good paying jobs with benefits. Um, if that's what you depend on, hey, that's fine. Me or no one here is to tell you to, quit your job, because the reason why you have to do it when you feel comfortable doing it, okay? But a lot of times you also have to do things out of fear because this is the thing that a lot of people will say, oh man, I don't know what's going to happen. Guys, tomorrow you don't know what's going to happen, okay? I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, okay? So what I got to do is make the best decisions to get what I want tomorrow, okay? I have to make the best decisions now, today, in order to get what I want tomorrow. So if you're saying telling yourself that I don't want to give up my full-time job, it pays me good, I got good benefits, things like that. And if you don't want to let that go, well, guess what, guys? 9 out of 10, you're not going to let it go. There's always going to be something you have to sacrifice in order to get something else that you want. So you can't sit here and say, I have a good paying job, okay? I have benefits, but I want my carpet cleaning business or any business to be full time. It doesn't work that way. But see, this is the thing I want you guys to understand. Listen to this, what I'm about to tell you. A lot of people are going to tell you, don't quit your job, okay? Don't quit your job. You got benefits, okay? Guys, benefits don't pay your bills, okay? Benefits ain't going to get you to where you're trying to go, okay? But this is what I want you guys to hear me out. Let's say you making, let's just say $15 an hour, okay, 40 hours a week. What's that? About $600 a week. Well, let's say, let's say you do have, I don't, to be honest, I don't know what a good paying job is because I haven't worked in a long time for someone else. And when I did, I was cleaning carpet. So a lot of my pay was commission based. So I really never, last time I think I had an hourly job, I was probably like 18 years old. Okay. So I guess a good paying job, what, $20 an hour? So let's say 20 times two, that's eight. So $20 an hour, 40 hours a week, $800. But that's not even, that's before they take your taxes and all this whatever other stuff they take out. So let's just say $800 a week, 40 hours a week. Okay, guys, do you know if you invested that same 40 hours a week in your own business? Do you know if you invested 40 hours in your own business, guys, that $800 would be nothing. It would be nothing. Now, again, is it just going to pop off like that? No, probably not. Okay, because again, you got to put a system in place. You got to put a business plan in place. You got to get a foundation laid out, get the right resources. Okay, that's what most people skip when they get in business, or at least this business. Everybody jumps straight into the equipment with no business plan, no foundation, no solid resources. But if you put all these things in place, okay, and you're making $20 an hour, okay, $800 before taxes. If you put that same 40 hours, okay, 80, 160 hours a month in your own business, do you know what you can do? Do you know that $800 will become nothing Nothing. And this is yours. This is, see, this is the beauty of business, at least in my eyes. Yes, the money's good, okay? Yes, I enjoy what I do. Yes, I get other opportunities, okay? Too many opportunities don't come when you work for someone else, okay? But the best thing for me having my own business is my time. I want to take a day off. I can take a day off this weekend. I'm not working this weekend, okay? Want to take a week off? I can take a week off. I get sick. I don't have to feel bad about calling in. My daughter needs to get picked up from school. I can stop what I'm doing, okay? My wife can't do something. I can stay at home and do it. That's the beauty part of me. The best part for me is the freedom, the time, okay? So my thing is, man, it's really something for some of you guys to think about. And like I said, listen, I'm not here to tell you to quit your job. All right. I'm not here to tell you to go in tomorrow and tell your boss, screw you. I'm quitting this job. I hate this job. I really never liked none of y'all anyway. I'm not telling you to do that. What I'm telling you is to do what's best for you at the moment, okay? And do it if you feel comfortable doing it. If you don't feel comfortable doing it, guys, don't do it. But at the same time, sometimes you got to do things out of fear. You got to do things, because you just got to be able to be a risk taker. All right. You got to be a risk taker sometimes, but just have your ducks in a row. Okay. Have everything lined up. That's going to make the transition a whole lot easier, smoother than a lot of what I see going on. But the main thing is, man, is if you do have a full-time job, count those hours up, okay? If you work 40 hours a week, maybe if you work 30 hours a week, or sometimes you might work 60. I see some people say they work 60 hours a week. If you work, these hours for someone else, just imagine if you invested those same hours. Okay, it's an investment, guys. Money isn't the only investment. Time is an investment, okay? And one thing about time compared to money, you can be broke today and rich tomorrow. But once that time is gone, it is gone, and you ain't gonna get it back, and neither am I. So that's why I really value my time. All right. So that's the thing, guys. Again, I'm just gonna, hopefully this can help somebody out. And yeah, man, much success to you. Either way you go.